What's up, guys? Welcome to ChefQs channel. And right now, we are in Portland, Oregon. Portland is well known for the many bridges and very old architect. It's October and I was expecting to be here and seeing all the autumn leaves foliage, but right now it's still pretty green. Maybe when we go up in the mountains, we can probably see more foliage. We're pretty much downtown Portland. Cruising around downtown Portland because the recent riots and all that, I think it affected the city a lot. So a lot of the businesses are closed. It's not too nice to see. But other than that, there's still a lot of places to see in Portland. So we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome to Portland. So we are staying here. I don't know where we are, but basically we found this place. It's basically a bunch of food carts and food. It's like a parking lot with a bunch of food carts and food vendors of all sorts. We got Chinese food, we got Thai food, we got pho, Vietnamese food. Well, anyways, we stopped at like a po noodle place. Checked it out on Yelp. It looks really good. This place is called Stretch the Noodles, Portland. It's just a small, really kind of like a cart, but it's really good. Recommend it. And we got what's that, shrimp and pork dumpling. I don't know, you can see it. Got a whole shrimp sticking out. And we also got the hand pulled noodle. It's a lot. It's like heavy. This is really heavy. I'm gonna try the dumpling first. Pour some sauce on it. We got some chili oil, scallions. Anyways, try this. We got shrimp, pork, some corn. There's corn in here. It's huge. $8 or $9. There's 6 pieces in here. Now, for the noodles. Can you see the steam coming up? These are hand-stretched noodles. So they're cut by hand. There's noodles, of course. We got beef. We got some spinach, some sprouts. It looks pretty spicy. Cabbage, carrot. Let me try this.
It's different, it's different.
You can definitely tell that it's like fresh noodles because the springiness and the chewy texture. The beef. This beef is like seasoned with just salt and like Chinese spice. There's no sugar in it. Cumin, or it's like a Chinese spice. Cumin. This is good. We're gonna have to try some other food too. There's a lot of food here. So just down the block is the original Voodoo donut. This is where the famous Voodoo donut started out. These fluffy, creative donuts of many flavors and colors are a treat for the many sweet tooth out there. So just a 15-minute drive from downtown Portland. For many that are visiting Portland, the must-visit destination is the International Rose Pest Garden. This huge garden consists of hundreds of different kinds of roses of all colors. Next up, Chef Q will take you for an outdoor adventure in Oregon. Be sure to subscribe and tune in next episode to see the great Oregon outdoor.